Hey everyone, welcome to Turn My Coin YouTube channel. We help you make loads of serious money by educating you about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies so you can make informed decisions before investing in cryptos. Investing in cryptocurrency is becoming increasingly popular as people are intrigued by its high prices and potential for profits. However, before taking the leap, it's essential to be well informed about the inherent risks and considerations. The world of cryptocurrency is dynamic and rapidly evolving, and buying your first crypto can be both exhilarating and overwhelming. To ensure that you make informed decisions, this video provides you with 15 essential pieces of information. Please like and subscribe to Turn My Coin channel to help us keep the content updated and provide you with more educational videos. 1. Know the risks involved when buying your first crypto. Before making a commitment to the crypto market, it's important to be fully informed of the potential downsides and uncertainties. It's crucial to note that there is no guarantee of profits in this market, making it essential to consider the risks involved and make informed decisions. 2. Choose a reputable exchange. Opting for an exchange with a proven track record of safeguarding its clients' assets is essential. By doing so, you can minimize the risks of losing your funds and protect yourself from potential scams or hacks. Some of the famous exchange platforms are Bybit, KuCoin, Binance, Huobi, Mexc. 3. Have a long-term view. Due to its relatively new nature, buying your first crypto or cryptocurrency as an asset class is susceptible to significant price swings in the short term. The volatile nature of cryptocurrencies can make it challenging for investors or when buying your first crypto to keep a level head and avoid making hasty decisions based on short-term price movements. By taking a long-term view, you can avoid the temptation to panic sell during price dips and instead focus on the bigger picture. 4. Don't panic sell. While it can be difficult to watch the value of your investment decline, it's important to remember that crypto markets are highly speculative and that short-term fluctuations are part of the game. By avoiding panic selling, you can reduce the risk of missing out on potential gains in the future. 5. Go for a balanced portfolio. Building a balanced portfolio is crucial when you are buying your first crypto to reduce the risks associated with investing in cryptocurrency. Rather than putting all your eggs in one basket, it's advisable to diversify your investments and hold a mix of different cryptocurrencies. 6. Research is mandatory. Researching a cryptocurrency is a crucial step before investing in it. There is a wealth of information available on the internet, including white papers, news articles, and forums, which can provide valuable insights into a cryptocurrency's technology, use case, and market trends. It's also important to consider the market trends, including adoption and competition, to get a better understanding of the overall landscape. In short, conducting thorough research is mandatory to make a wise investment decision in the crypto market. 7. Don't join the herd. When considering buying your first crypto, it's important to evaluate the specific assets you're interested in and make informed decisions based on your research and personal financial goals, rather than simply following the hype. It's also worth considering the potential risks involved with jumping on a bandwagon, such as the possibility of a bubble or sudden market shift. 8. Trustless approach. The decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies means that they operate without intermediaries like banks. This eliminates the need for trust in a central authority, but it also means that it's up to you, the investor, to thoroughly research the security and stability of your chosen cryptocurrency. Failing to do so can lead to the risk of your investment being lost or stolen. To protect your investment, it's important to take a thorough, data-driven approach to your research. 9. Avoid the unit bias. Avoiding the unit bias means that you must look beyond the quantity of coins you have in your portfolio and instead focus on the value of each coin. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of having a large number of coins, but it's crucial to focus on the overall value of your investment, as this will give you a better understanding of its potential for growth and profitability. 10. Get the right wallet. Securing your cryptocurrency holdings is of utmost importance, and the first step in ensuring their safety is selecting the right wallet. Digital wallets serve as a storage place for your crypto assets and enable you to access them whenever you want. Hardware wallets are important if you are eyeing long-term investments. 11. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies should be a calculated risk and not a gamble. Before making any investment decisions, it's essential to consider your financial situation. 12. Consider security. As a crypto investor, ensuring the safety of your assets should be your top priority. When you are buying your first crypto to protect your investments, it is important to follow established protocols and adopt strong security measures. One of the most critical steps you can take is to choose a secure digital wallet. This will provide you with a safe space to store your crypto assets and ensure they remain protected from potential security breaches. Additionally, it's essential to safeguard your private keys, which are the means by which you access your funds. Keep your private keys secure and never share them with anyone. 13. Avoid scams. The crypto market is no stranger to fraudulent activities and scams, which can pose a significant risk to your investment. To protect yourself, it is vital to exercise caution and conduct thorough research on any new crypto project you come across. Before investing your funds, take the time to verify the legitimacy of the project and the people behind it. Scrutinize the project's white paper, check for red flags, and do your due diligence to ensure that the project is not a scam. Remember, if an offer seems too good to be true, it probably is. By being vigilant and careful, you can safeguard your investment and avoid falling victim to crypto scams. 14. Keep an eye on regulations. Stay informed by following relevant news sources and keeping in touch with industry experts to ensure that you are always aware of the regulatory environment and how it may affect your investments. 15. Seek professional advice. Financial advisors with experience in crypto investments can provide valuable insights and recommendations, helping you make informed decisions that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Don't make investment decisions in isolation and always consider seeking professional advice. Conclusion. Investing in cryptocurrencies is a high-risk but potentially high-reward opportunity. However, with so many factors to consider and so much uncertainty, it's important to approach your investment with caution and a well-informed perspective. Hope you liked the video. Do drop in your questions and feedback in the comments below. For more educative videos on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, subscribe to our channel Turn My Coin. Until next time, keep minting loads of money.